Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today we have got something really exciting to share with you. We are diving into the new WhatsApp feature that you might not even know about. So grab your phone and let's get started. Let's talk about WhatsApp features. First up we have the game changer. You can now send photos in HD quality on WhatsApp. This feature is now available for both Android and iPhone user. When enable, the image will be sent in high quality without permission. Now send the photos you would normally do by tapping on the attach icon on the chat window. Look for the HD option in the top panel. Select option and choose the HD quality option from the window that pops up. Hit the send button and the photo will be shared in HD quality. Now you can lock any WhatsApp chat. When you lock a conversation, it is automatically separated from the regular shared list and hidden in a lock folder that requires your passcode, fingerprint or Face ID. To open the chat, you want to log on WhatsApp and click on the chat's name to open the chat profile. Scroll down and tap on chat lock. Now next time it will ask for your passcode, fingerprint or Face ID. Voice status is a feature recently added to WhatsApp status that allows you to send update as voice notes on your WhatsApp status. Go to the status tab on your WhatsApp and click on the pen icon. In the bottom right corner of the text status, you will see a microphone icon. Simply hold the microphone icon to record the voice notes you want to post. You may now edit WhatsApp messages if you made a mistake in the text or wish to add more details. This is the one of most appealing feature WhatsApp has introduced recently, given that it allows you to make edits, the need to send a new message to correct a mistake made in a previous message. And now you can use WhatsApp on two phones. WhatsApp now supports multi-device usage. Ensure WhatsApp is installed on your secondary device. On your new device, install WhatsApp. Grant necessity permissions. At the number input screen, tap the top right three dots. Select link a device to produce a QR code on your main device. Go to the second link device, choose the device and select the QR code from the new device and scan the QR code from the new device. Now you can share your screen on WhatsApp. WhatsApp user can share their screen during video calls similar to Zoom and Google Meet. Initiate a video call, tap the screen shading icon at the call screen smarter. Confirm your intention to share when you need to keep a text on WhatsApp. We do so by sending it to a different WhatsApp account if we have one or using a workaround. However, using this new WhatsApp feature that allows you to message yourself, you can save information that you might to access later. In the chat with yourself, tap on the new chat icon at the top right corner of the WhatsApp chat page. Now search for your name on the list. It will most likely be at the top, so click on the chat and start texting yourself. We know that WhatsApp compresses reduce the quality of media files sent through it. However, one of the workarounds we normally use it to transfer media files. We normally use it to transfer media files as a document using the attachment icon in our WhatsApp chat, which keeps the files uncompressed. Finally, WhatsApp now offers the option to save image sent through the app in high quality. Click on the settings tab of the storage and that option under media upload quality. Click on photo upload quality and choose your preferred option. Click OK to save the changes. And now let's talk about our last WhatsApp feature. Video message on WhatsApp is an alternative to voice note for people who would like to do something like make a recorded happy birthday piece that would prep you to do. So in the front of a video, open the chat. You want to send a video message on WhatsApp. Tap on the voice note icon at the bottom right corner of the chat to switch a video message on tab and hold the video message icon to start recording and send it just the same way you send the voice notes. So these are the latest WhatsApp feature in 2023. So please let me know your favorite one in the comment section and give this video a like and share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next video.